Hello everyone, welcome to the June Lead Coding Challenge. So in this series, first question is invert binary tree. So now we'll move to pen and paper and understand this problem statement. So now this is our given binary tree. So we have to invert this binary tree. So after inverting this binary tree, it looks like 4, 7, 2, 9, 6, 3, 1. Basically, invert binary tree is a mirror tree. So how we will convert this binary tree to this tree? So basically, we will swap this left node to right node and right to left node. Okay, for all node. Okay, let's move to the solution part. Now our root is 4, and now we will swap left node to right. Now our left is this and right is this. Now we will swap left part in right place and left part in right place and right part in left place. Okay, so 4 is our root. Now we'll swap right part left place. 6, 9. Okay, and this 2, 1 and 3. Now we swipe for root 4. Now we will move to root dot left and make it as a point, as a root. So now our root is 7. So now our left is 6 and right is 9. Okay, now we'll again do the same. We'll move left, right to left and left to right. Nine and 6. Okay, now our root is 9. Okay, so now we check our root dot left is null and root dot right is null. So there is no element in root dot left and root dot right. So we will back to root dot root dot right, that is this one, and again we will check root dot left and root dot right. So again there is no element in root dot left and root dot right. So now we'll back to here and check root dot left and root dot right is not null. So we will swap root dot left, that is this, and root dot right we will swap it. After swapping, this will be 3 and 1. Okay, now we'll move to root dot left. So this is root 3 is root dot left and make it as a root. So now we check root dot left and root dot right. There is no element in root dot left and root dot right. Now we'll again back to this. This is our, now 1 is our root, and we check root dot left and root dot right. Again there is no element in root dot left and root dot right. So finally we return this tree as our answer. So I hope it's clear to you. Now we'll move to implementation part. First I will write a root is null, then return none. And now we swap root dot left and root dot right. Root dot left comma root dot right equals to root dot right comma root dot left. Here we swap left to right and right to left. Okay, now we call the invert tree and pass the root dot left as root dot left and make it as a root. And now we call invert tree and pass root dot right, and after swiping all this node we will return our root, and this is our final answer. Now we'll check our code is working or not. Yeah, it's running successfully and got accepted. Thank you for watching this video. Please consider subscribe if you are new to this channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.